One of the recurring questions I get a lot from this particular channel is for me to recommend some stocks individuals can buy and hold for a longer period of time in order to benefit from this. And I've been able to do some research in the 33 companies listed in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and I've highlighted just 5 stocks in the Ghana Stock Exchange market where you can invest your money in these particular stocks and hold it for a longer period of time. You can hold it for a period of 5 to 10 years or even hold it forever if you actually want to build a generational wealth. So trust me, if you really want to buy and hold some stocks for a very long period of time, you can consider these companies that I'm coming to recommend. However, this particular recommendation I'm giving is not a financial advice. Before you invest in any of these companies, make sure you do your due diligence and also research very well in order to invest in any of these companies that I'm coming to recommend. So in as much as we are investing in the US Stock Exchange market, there's a need for us to also prioritize that of the Ghana Stock Exchange market in order to add volatility to it. Day in, day out, we invite new investors to this particular stock exchange market. And the first stock I'll be buying and I'll be holding for a longer period of time is going to be GCB Bank. And GCB Bank is one of the oldest commercial banks in the country. And this particular commercial bank has a lot of outlets. Currently, as we are speaking, GCB Bank have over 185 branches in the country. And you the one watching me, trust me, I'm sure in your vicinity there will be a branch or there will be an outlet for GCB. Where I grew up from, in my hometown, the only commercial bank in that town is Ghana Commercial Bank. And with this, trust me, they are driving they are having a lot of customer base and they are serving a lot of people. Honestly, in the industry, GCB hold the customer deposit of over 14% currently as we speak. And currently, as I'm recording this video, the current market price of GCB is 19 Ghana cedis. And GCB, if you take a look at the finances over the past, GCB Bank in the last couple of years has been performing very well. They've been paying dividends to their shareholders, and also the share price has been doing very well, and the financial report has been doing very, very well. Last year, 2025 financial report, the company actually went up by 23%. And also, if you take a look at their total assets, the total assets also increased by 42.8 billion Ghana cedis, and that represents 58.1% increment. Their customers' deposit also increased by 34.6 billion Ghana cedis, reinforcing the liquidity this particular bank is having in the banking industry. And if you take a look at the banking sector, this particular bank is one of the drivers of that particular sector. If you take a look at the market cap as we speak currently, is 5 billion Ghana cedis, and also the total assets is 42.6 billion Ghana cedis. If you take a look at the capital adequacy ratio, it has 17%, and also the return on equity when it comes to GCB Bank is 32.4%. Return on assets is 3.4%. Dividend yield is 5.26%, and also the dividend per share of GCB Bank is 1 Ghana cedis. Earning per share is also tremendously, and with all this information, trust me, MTN Ghana is doing very, very well. And with all the, trust me, GCB Bank is doing very, very well. Currently, they have a solid management team. If you take a look at the team of GCB Bank currently, GCB Bank has a solid brains behind GCB Bank. And this particular team, when they inaugurated them not long ago, has been able to show that this particular company, they will move it forward, and it has reflected in that of the share price of that particular company. The second company that I will buy and hold for a longer period of time is going to be Total Energy. Total Energy is one of the companies that is in the energy sector in the country. This particular company also have different outlets. If you take a look at Total Energy, is one of the companies that, or one of the 4 companies that wherever corner that you go in the country, you see Total 4 station. And this particular company is a multinational company, and they have their subsidiary in Ghana. And in the Ghana Stock Exchange market this year, this particular company has also been doing very well. And even in the past, this particular company has been doing very, very, very well. This particular company has a presence in over 130 countries currently as I'm speaking. It has a presence in over 130 countries, and also in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. This particular company has a market cap of 4.53 billion Ghana cedis, and it represents 2.79% of this particular Ghana Stock Exchange market. This particular company this year has been able to perform very well, and research has also shown that this particular company is going to continue its performances very well. At the beginning of the year, the company just opened at 13 Ghana cedis, and currently as I'm speaking, the company is doing at 40 Ghana cedis. It's currently performing at 40 Ghana cedis. If you take a look at the earning per share of this particular company, is 3 cedis, and also the price per earning ratio of this particular company is 13.47 Ghana cedis. The dividend per share is also 2 cedis 56 pesos, and the dividend yield over the past is 6.34%. The market capitalization, that is the total amount or the total forces this particular company comes in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, is 4.3 billion Ghana cedis. Like I said, the year to date, if you take a look at it, this year so far, the company has been able to perform 209%, and in the last 6 months, it has been able to perform 62.7%. In the last 3 months, it has also been able to perform 26.8%. These financial performances of the company has to do with that of the management team. The management of this particular company is very solid. This year, one of the drivers of the performances of this company is the cut down of operational costs. If you really follow that of financial news, or if you really understand finances of a company, for a team or a management team to cut down operational costs and yet still being able to perform and produce massive profit, it should tell you that the brains behind this particular company is that of a solid one. Again, they've also increased their product line and also their product mix. And with this particular increment, we are looking at it to reflect in that of the future performance of this particular stock. If you take a look at this stock, it's honestly one of the stocks you can buy and hold for a longer period of time. The third company I will buy and hold for a longer period of time is Ecobank Transnational Incorporation, which is also known as ETI. ETI is one of the companies that is listed in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and out of the 33 companies, among the 5 that I'm giving you, this particular company is one of them. And the reason is that if you take a look at the company, it's a multinational stock and it's being powered by the Ecobank group. And with this particular group, if you take a look at all the sub-Saharan African countries that this particular company is listed, they are doing back to back profit. Almost every time this particular company is yielding profit, and it's as a result of its independent banking sector operations in all the 33 African countries this particular stock is being listed. If you take a look at the finances and the growth perspective of this, is also showing very positive signs that this particular company is going to do well in the coming years, and you can buy it and hold it for a longer period of time. Currently, the market price of this particular company is 0.9 pesos. It hit 1 cedis but later declined to that of 0.9 pesos. If you take a look at how it started in the year, it started at a very lower price, and even last year this particular company was just trading around 0.2 pesos, and currently as I'm speaking it's 0.9 pesos, and it's showing future growth. You need to get in very early in order to benefit from this particular company. Earning per shares of this particular company is 0.32%, and also price per earning ratio is 2.79 pesos. Market capitalization of this particular company is 21.7 billion Ghana cedis, and one of the most valuable companies in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. The fourth company I'm giving you is going to be Société Générale, and Société Générale is also one of the leading commercial banks in the country. It's the 4th largest commercial bank in Ghana as we speak currently, and the market cap of this particular company is 4.5 billion Ghana cedis. And one of the key variables that shows this particular bank leading in the sector is also that they places so much emphasis on that of consumer banking, and also over time they are known for one of the best company in introducing good products when it comes to the sector or the banking sector. This particular company also has a lot of branches. It has about 38 branches across the country, and currently is also one of the valuable stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. Honestly, it's the 12th valuable stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market with a market cap of 3.19 billion Ghana cedis, also representing 1.9% of the Ghana Stock Exchange market. Looking at the finances of the company is doing very well. Currently, it has earning per share of 0.6912 and also price per earning ratio of 6.5. Dividend per share 0.34. Dividend yield is 7.56, and the market cap, like I said, is 3.19%. And the last and also one of the most important companies that I'll buy and hold in the Ghana Stock Exchange market is MTN Ghana. And MTN Ghana is powered by MTN Group, which is a multinational company. This particular company is located in different companies. We have MTN Ghana, MTN Nigeria, MTN South Africa. This particular company is a multinational company, and it has entered the telecommunication business in Ghana for a very long time. And in 2009, they added that of MTN Mobile Money to that of their services. And currently, as we speak, the bank has been doing well in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and it has been performing back to back. And one of the things that makes MTN Ghana stand out is that if you take a look at the telecommunication industry in the country, MTN Ghana is the only company that is listed in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. And also if you take a look at technological companies in the country, MTN Ghana is one of the two companies that is technological driven companies in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. So due to this, it has actually given MTN Ghana an upper hand over all the companies listed in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. And this particular company is one of the investors' favorite if you take a look at MTN Ghana. And one of the things I like about MTN Ghana is that it has really brought investors to the Ghana Stock Exchange market. Prior to 2016, a lot of people wasn't having so much interest in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, but when this particular stock came in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, it drove a lot of interest to the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and I'll be holding this for a very long time. If you take a look at the growth and valuation of this company, it's showing positive signals, and it's one of the companies that you can buy in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and you benefit from it over time. If you look at the earning per share, is 0.54. The price per earning ratio is 7.65. Dividend per share is 0.08, and the dividend yield is 1.98. And also the outstanding shares is 13.2 billion, and the current market cap is 55.6 billion Ghana cedis. This particular company, if you really want to benefit, Charlie, make you add them to your portfolio. With all this said and done, make sure you do your due diligence before you invest in any company that I've mentioned in this particular list. These are just my personal research that I've done in the 33 listed stocks in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. I really believe and hope that in the nearby future, these particular companies that I mentioned will bring a lot of value in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, and also with the investors in these particular companies who should be able to benefit from these particular companies. If you really like this video, kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button so that a lot of people can benefit from this video. Cheers up.